Let's go to the river. Let's go down in the water, cool up this hot week. Let's go down to the river. Let's go to the lake. Let's burn a fire and give this scene a break. Let's get out of the city. Let's go run the street. Let's sit down in the holy water where the air is clear and clean.
Ah oui, oui, il n'y a pas de développeur, voilà.
You could grab some firewood. And me will take care of the booze. And have
Ça enregistre.
good company. Let's go to the river. Let's go to the lake. Let's drink some holy water and get ourselves all bathed. Let's go to the river. Let's go to the creek. Let's go down in the water and cool up this hot week. Grab the old guitar and mama's blanket and a book about serial killers that I can read. And don't forget to bring Let's go to the water, Rage Against the Machine. Let's go out to the country where it's nice.